So we've been having problems with this trolley for a while, and we replaced it a couple of times, but the problem keeps coming back. It is weak. So we're going to try to replace the regulator and see if that solves it. I'm not taking these top bolts out and just loosening them enough that I can pull this cover forward. Okay, so you can kind of see here what we got now. So we got our regulator, we got the gauge, we got two fittings on the side, and this is a flow control valve. So this is something that we put in because this is going to decrease the speed that it actuates. So the regulator changes the amount of pressure, so the amount of force that it's applying, and this changes the speed that it can actuate at. We put this on so that it would stop slapping onto the RTFs. This is a P3A-RA11 BLP. So this is the same valve. Pretty sure this is just a plug. Yeah, this is just a plug. They just use this as a plug. Easier to do this without this plug in. A common mistake people make when they're removing these gauges or installing them is they'll grab the gauge and try to twist it. You don't want to do that. You always want to grab it by the base. There you go. Since we got it loose, now we can spin it off. If we try to crank on this, we can just break this off of the base. So we don't want to over tighten it, but we do need the gauge to face front. Just like that. So let's test it. Alright, so we're at 2 bar right now. It's doing the same thing. So it might be the flow regulator. Yeah, that's a lot stiffer. So I think the problem was this flow regulator, so I'm going to replace that.
How you doing, bud?
Good, how you doing? So we also have a bad trolley. You can hear that? So that ladder is hot. There we go. That's what it should be like. All right, so that is good.